Scotty with Miller Marine, Friday afternoon. Yay, it's Friday. What a week. Got this old Maverick in, or fairly new one. Installed a new GPS, greased the fittings up in the motor, and replaced his bubble oil line. Edge water is done. He'll be picking that up today. And then we have a couple new arrivals in today. Mr. Steve Freeman's boat in, Pathfinder, which will be for sale. He just told me today how to do some build front work and some other things. Sold Hughes in for a new power pole, fairly new Maverick in for trim limiter, how to replace some speakers, and installing a water separator. This Maverick got the Simrad in and doing his weather, and we also got our poles going up. Got 2 up, 2 to go. So moving boats around right now. So that's what we got going on so far. Happy Friday, y'all.